15% of 80. So the traditional method says that we have to write 15% as 15 upon 100. Of means multiplication and then you write 80. Now you cut the 0 from here, then you divide both the numerator and denominator by the same number. 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 times 5 is 10. Now 15 and 5 are divisible by 5, so we again divide it by 5. 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 3 is 15. So your answer is 12. So we did this much of multiplication and division to find the answer. There is one simpler method. Now we have 15% of 80. 15% can be written as 10% plus 5%. Now 10% of 80 will be 8. How? Because we can simply remove the zeros and then get 8. It is easier to find 10 and 20% of some numbers. So 10% of 80 is 8. So 5% of that number will be half of this number. So your answer is 12. Let's try it with 20% of 60. This is much easier question because you can simply remove the 0 and write the answer as 6 multiplied 2 as 12. What if you had 25% of 60? In that case we can write 20 plus 5%. 20% plus 5% of 60. 20% of 60 we can easily get, that is 2 times 6 is 12. Then in that case 10% of 60 will be 6 and 5% of 60 will be half of 6, that is 3. So 12 plus 3, 15. Let's calculate whether it is right or not. 25 into 60 upon 100. 25 times 4 is 100 and 4 times 15 is 60. So your answer is 15. What if the number is 35% of 80? We can write it as 30% plus 5%. 30% will be 24. 10% will be 8 and 5% will be 4. So 35% will be 24 plus 4, which is 28. Let's calculate 35 into 80 upon 100. 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 5 is 10, 5 times 7 is 35. So 7 times 4 is 28. So if you practice this method, you can calculate the percentage mentally. You don't have to do any calculation. You just break it down into units of 10. And for more such videos, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.